Hello friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Samayal. Today I am going to make Andhra special KAJJIKAYALU. Take a plate, add 1 cup of maida. You can even replace 1 cup of maida with atta. Add salt to taste. Add 5 tablespoons of ghee or oil. Add 2 tablespoons of roasted rava. Mix them well. Make sure that the ghee mixes well with the flour. Add 1 small cup of milk. Today we are not at all going to use any water in this dough. Completely we are going to use only milk, so adjust as per the need. Add some more milk if it is not sufficient. You don't need to use any water. Completely use the milk and make it into a soft dough. Now let it rest for 30 minutes. Now meantime, let's make the stuffing for KAJJIKAYALU. Ingredients needed for stuffing are sugar powder, rava, badam and grated coconut. Take a pan. Add 1 cup of rava and dry roast them until it changes its color. Keep stirring the rava so that it won't get burnt. Now it is perfectly dry roasted. Now just keep them aside, and in the same pan add the coarsely grinded coconut, or you can even grate the coconut. But I have just grinded it coarsely in the mixer. Dry roast them and keep it aside. Again in the pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add the chopped badam pieces and dry roast them until it is golden brown. In most of my dishes, I prefer to use badam other than cashew. Now it is perfectly golden brown. Now let's mix up all the dry roasted ingredients. In a bowl, add the dry roasted rava, dry roasted coconut, fried badam, and 1 cup of sugar powder. Adjust it as per your taste. Now mix them all together. Now our stuffing is ready for KAJJIKAYALU. Now let's place the stuffing into the dough. After 30 minutes, our KAJJIKAYALU dough is ready. Take a small portion of dough. Now just roll it into a circular shape. Today I am going to use KAJJIKAYALU mold. Apply oil to the mold so that you can easily remove the dough. Take the dough and place it on the mold. Slightly bend it. Now place the stuffing inside the dough. Apply milk at the edges. and just close it and remove the excess dough. Now we have got a perfect kajjikayalu. Now let's deep fry them. It looks so beautiful. Now let's know how to do kajjikayalu without a mold. Just roll the dough, apply milk on its edges so that it seals well. Now place the stuffing at the center. Just fold it into half. Press the edges gently with your fingers. Just make a design with a fork. Now our kajjikayalu is ready without a mold. Now let's deep fry them. Slowly drop them into the oil in a medium heat. While cooking this, always lower the flame so that it cooks well from inside. Fry them until it is golden brown. Now it is slightly golden. Let's cook it for a few more minutes. Now we got the perfect color. Just remove it from the oil and our kajjikayalu is ready. It is one of the Andhra special recipe. Try this wonderful sweet recipe at home, and you can even store this in an airtight container for 3 to 4 weeks. It looks so yummy. It is very crispy from outside and it is perfectly cooked. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.